Is the Philippines a third world country? Do you think the Philippines will ever become a second or first world country? And what needs to change for that to happen? If you given a chance to live in a country with better opportunities, which one would it be? Is the Philippines a third world country?
For me po, based on previous lessons from high school, elementary, yes po.
Yes. Okay. Do you think the Philippines will ever become a second or first world country? And what needs to change for that to happen?
For me, it's not possible na we can be part of second or first world country just for the president will need to be planned to be the economy of the Philippines rise and also uh mabawasan
To
to
lessen.
lessen the debt of the Philippines.
If you were given a chance to live in a country with better opportunities, which one would it be?
US po.
Hmm. Why?
Ah, s ay based on that I saw online or I research about them, they they are high high they gave the high salary for people and also their economy is good po.
Their economy is good. Is the Philippines a third world country?
I think it's a yes. And and if it's considered the third poorest country in the world, and I think it's a yes because the flow of the government is, well, it's not that good as the US, because we consider the US is the first richest country. So I think if there's a chance to be one of the top, I will recommend the flow of the government of the US. So I think of that um if they adopt the government policies or government flows in the US, they will reach the toppest richest countries of the world. As the first place, we already adopt the culture of the US, the because if we have the millennials to work at the age of 18, I think the Philippines will rise up as like in the US.
Why? What happened to the 18 years old Filipinos?
Oh, okay. The as of now, I think the 18 years old of millennial Filipinos, I think there's are jobless because I know that they're still working, they're still either still studying, and they're jobless because I know they are dependent on their parents as of now, because yeah, di nila na-a-adapt yung kumbaga yung kung ano yung dapat na 18 years old na dapat nagwo-work na.
So they can't adopt the 18 years old of like USA, okay, where in them they're working already at the age of 18. So you're trying to say that the Philippines should be westernized.
Yes. Yes, that's it. Yung
Mom, if you given a chance to live in a country with better opportunities, which one would it be?
still in the Philippines because I know that Philippines will rise up in the future, and I know the government will be good as a futures.
Okay, so you never see yourself in, working abroad like that.
Yes, stay here in the Philippines.
Oh, I see. Mom, may we know what's your job?
I'm still on the job training and the Land Bank Goa, and still a student of Partido State University.
Y- Particularly PSU, they always have these, smart students. I'm very proud of them. I'm very amazed. And so you're working right now in the land bank.
As a student stream.
Oh, JP. If you were given a chance to live in a country with better opportunities, which one would it be?
I think for me it's Canada.
Why Canada?
Well, for me kasi, um,
Ano?
I'm sorry. Well, some of my friends and my relatives are in the Canada, and they told me that there are lots of opportunities or like something that you can have or like other jobs in Canada that will make your life easily and more
Better.
better.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen that. A lot of posts on Facebook, like Canada, they have these openings, like a lot of job opportunities for OFW, overseas Filipino workers. So, and you mentioned that you have friends and family working in or in Canada
Yeah.
working, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it would be Canada. So for you, Canada is rich, right?
Yeah.
Richer than Philippines.
I can say yes.
So for your last question, do you think Philippines is poor?
Let's say I can say I can say yes. I think, but let's say maybe.
Maybe. Is the Philippines a third world country?
Yes. First of all, Philip when becomes yan, upo na naman ako.
Okay lang, Bian.
Um, if we visit, especially Manila, we can see beggars everywhere. Even here in province, we can already encounter children, countless children asking for money, even if I, even if we don't know what background are they come from or anything, but I think it is they are considered as very poor. Nawara ako, te, sorry.
Very poor. So because the people are poor, meaning the country is poor too, right?
Yes, kasi um we don't have that much beggar if our economy is stable. Na that's I think that's all the reason too.
Do you think the Philippines will ever become a second or first world country? And what needs to change for, for that to happen?
I think first of all, since now we're in technological generation, um I think we must have the we must dapat equip tayo.
We should be equipped.
In technology. Unlike Japan, Japan is very advanced country. Then they're rich in their economy is very
It's better than Philippines.
very better than Philippines. Now here in Philippines, we can I think hindi pumapos mo na siya.
Okay, we can.
We can um
Okay. Aside from we should be equipped when it comes to technology, what else?
government too.
Government. What should be the government be?
If the government is true to their jobs,
Through, not corrupt, right?
corrupt, if they're true to their jobs, they have no and they have no hidden agendas, maybe.
If you were given a chance to live in a country with better opportunities, which one would it be?
I think my very first goal um ka- to visit country or have my first job in other country is Taiwan. Uh, uh when it comes kasi sa uh when it comes to job opportunities, I see Taiwan as my first priority. Second is Thailand. And we can see many Filipinos also there in the country. So
Do you think Taiwan is rich, a rich country, or they are in at least second world country, richer than the Philippines?
yes, they are richer in the Philippines. They're especially my first yung habol ko lang talaga kasi is their currency. Um their high halang ka yung currency nila. That's why Yeah, I want.
Okay, so she said she's only after their currency because it's higher than the currency here in the Philippines. And you mentioned earlier Thailand. You think Thailand is richer than the Philippines?
Also, I think yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh no, poor Philippines. Anyway, you're still studying, right?
Yeah.
May we know what's your course?
He is in English.
Oh, you're gonna be an English teacher. What year are you now?
Third year.
So one more year and you will graduate.
Yeah.
Advanced congratulations.
so what?
You're welcome. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single mom.
You're single mom. Wow. How old is your baby?
Is she? He's almost 6.
6 years old.
Yeah.
How old are you?
22.
22.
Yes.
Okay. But at least you're studying now to, to have a better future. Yes, you should be very proud. I mean, you should be proud of yourself for doing that. So, how long have you been single?
Almost 6 years.
6 years. So after that relationship,
Yes.
you never had any boyfriend or nothing. Why?
I'm focused more on my study.
I thought you're scared. Have you ever thought of having a relationship with foreigners?
Of course.
Like, would you ever live abroad? Let's say USA,
That's my dream country.
dream country. Anyway, thank you so much, Beth. Thank you.